Welcome back, fellow investors. It's Dividend Investor and I'm back again with a brand new video. So I know I haven't been really uploading as often as I probably should have been. The last video I uploaded was a while ago. It was a few months ago, it was 2 months ago. And then the first video was 11 months ago, which was nearly a year ago. So what I've been doing is sort of giving you a brief portfolio videos. But in this video, I want to give you a way for you to make money. So that's right. So there is a spreadsheet that's going around that's making sales, of course. It's very popular. It's the most advanced spreadsheet ever. So with this, what you can get is become an affiliate, which make you will give you a referral link, and then once you share the link, anyone that comes onto the link will have 30 days to purchase it. Once they purchase it, you will get 60% commission added to your account and straight into your bank account afterwards. So basically, this with the way it works. As you can see, I'm scrolling through the website right now. I pre-recorded this, so it's sort of a different time lapse. But over here, you get the basics, instructions of what the spreadsheet is. It's the most advanced spreadsheet ever, but this video is about making money rather than using a spreadsheet. So you may not even be an investor, who knows? But the spreadsheet is amazing. If you want to make money, this is the best way to do it. So this is one of the highest affiliate links. Basically, as you can see over here, it's the minimum of 60% commission every time you make a sale. So this is the standard. The minimum, as soon as you purchase the sheet, you will get 60% commission added, and you get your own referral link. Then after you get 5% commission increased every 20 sales, up to a maximum of 70% commission. So basically, let's say you make 20 sales in one day. Then on the 21st sale, your commission will be 65%, and then after 40 sales, your commission will be maximum 70%. So as you can say, as it says here, the maximum price you can pay for dedicated customer service is £17, while the rest is basically £12. So very straightforward, and you can actually make a decent amount of money. So there's 6 colors, the product's amazing. It's the most advanced spreadsheet, fully automated, tracks all your stocks, dividend investments, allows you to do pretty much everything. And if you want to see the website, go down below in the description. You can have a look at the website itself. So I'm going to do a little math here. So basically, this is how much you would make per sale on, let's say, the standard 60%. So 60 divided by 100, that's £7.19. We'll say £7.20. So £7.20 per sale you make on a standard $11.99. You will make about £7.20. That is ridiculously high. And let's have a look for the, what is it, 70%? So this is how much you'd make if you sold one standard sheet for 70%, and that's like £8. That's like over £1 profit. So previously than what it was. So this is what it is for standard for the top ranked. So 60%, if someone pays £17, that's £10.19. Incredible. So I'm just sort of showing you what this website is, basically what it does. So it's got 5-star ratings. It's very cool. Full of works. There's no refunds, unfortunately, mainly because it's a Google spreadsheet. So if someone buys it and it's like, I want a refund, then, well, they can just have a free spreadsheet, and I can't really take it off of them. So no refunds available for this, but it's fully automated and it's really cool. So now what I want to do is go over some affiliate programs that there is currently, and show you that we rank very, very high. So there's not that many actually. I think there's a few that sort of match our commission structure up to 60%. So essentially, travels, not very related to investments, but travels 50%, up to 80%, which is quite high. So I was quite surprised about that one. But the rest are just below 10, 6, and if you scroll down, there's going to be a few. There's another 50 TripAdvisors. Oh, is this the same? Oh yeah, it's the cookie duration thing. So for the spreadsheet, the cookie duration is 30 days. So once someone clicks your referral link, they have up to 30 days to buy the product for you to receive money if they buy it. And after like 32 days, have to go and through your link, then you're not going to get any money. So 30 days is the maximum. As you can see, the fitness commission is below 20% on this one on average. And then CBD, not very related to investments, but this is just an average of showing you that we do rank the highest on pretty much the whole niche, every niche that you can possibly think of. Payout rates, as you can see, payouts 20% maximum on that one. And yeah, if you keep going down to beauty, as in it's not related at all, but like you know what I mean. We stand out a lot. So if you want to make money, this is literally the best way to do it. I'm gonna leave you off with this. I'm gonna put some music in the background. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll be posting another video in the next few days. Thank you so much, and adios.
If I want something like good, hey, hey, oh baby, I need you, love me, hey, hey, cause I love I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy, real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances, I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye. With you, boy, you won't give me too much chances, I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy bright.